Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So in this class, we want to continue from where we stopped. We stopped at elimination method and substitution method of solving simultaneous equations. Today we want to look at what problems involving simultaneous equations. And we have some examples that we're going to solve for us to understand this topic in depth. So we have the first example here. The first example says the sum of two numbers is 30. The sum of two numbers. So when you are interpreting word problems, you know what you're expected to do. We have done that in the past. So you can still check the videos on the channel. So how to solve word problems. So what we're going to do is that the what we don't know, what we're looking for, because the question asks us to find the two numbers. Sum of two numbers is this, and their difference is this. So we first of all represent the unknown with letters. So what we're going to do here, solution, we select the numbers, let the numbers be, let's say A and what? B. Let the number be A and B. Sum of two numbers. Sum means addition. Addition of two numbers, that is addition of A and B, that means A plus B equals what? 30. And that is the difference between it, that when you subtract the two numbers, you're going to get that is A minus B is equal to what? 15. You can see we have two equations with two variables here. So this is going to be equation 1, and this is going to be what? Equation what? Equation 2. So we can solve this what? Simultaneously. It now depends on which method you want to use. Are you going to use substitution method or you want to use elimination method? Whichever one you decide to do, you're going to get the same answer. So in this case, what we're going to do, let's make use of elimination method. Let's use elimination method to solve this. So that means we have A plus B equals to 30, then A minus B equals to what? 15. So let's eliminate A. So in eliminating A, we're going to subtract. That's A minus A, which will give us 0. So we must also subtract this, we also subtract this. I hope I'm making sense. So A minus A is 0, B minus B equals to 30 minus what? 15. I hope you understand that. So this is B, minus is this one, minus B is this one. Is that clear? So don't make the mistake. So this will give us B plus B equals to what? 15. Are you with me? So this will give us 2B equals to what? 15. So that means B equals to what? 15 divided by 2, which is what? 7.5. So that is that on this one. So we have known the first one of the numbers, so it remains the other number. So we can then put B equals to 15 over 2 in any of the two equations. Any of the two equations. Let's say equation 1 in equation 1. So that means with equation 1, which is A plus B equals to 30. That means A plus B, which is what? 15 over 2 equals to what? 30. So we can decide to collect 9 times here. That will be A equals to what? 30 minus what? 15 over 2. So that means A equals to what? 30 over 1. This over 1. Then we find the LCM, which is going to be 2. 2 into is 1 into is 1 is 2. 2 times 30 is what? 60. Minus 2 into is 1. 1 times 15 is what? 15. So that gives us 60 minus 15, that is 45 all over 2. Therefore, A equals to what? 22 and a half. I hope that is very clear. So that is the value of A and value of B. Now we can confirm the answer because the sum of two numbers, that is when you add the two numbers together. So A, which is equal to 22.5, and B, which is what? Plus 7.5. So when you add them together, you're going to get what? 30. So which means, therefore, the numbers are 22.5 and 7.5. That is the answer to this. I hope it's very clear. So let's look at another example. Second example here. So someone else says Miriam is X years old and Sarah is Y years old. So the sum of their ages is 58. If Mariam is 4 years younger than Sarah, find the ages of both women. So what we're going to do first is this. Solution. Mariam is equal to X, Y Sarah is equal to what? Y. The sum of their ages, addition of the age of Mariam and Y and Sarah is what? Is 50. That is X plus Y is equal to 58. Now that's telling us that Mariam is 4 years younger than what? Sarah. That means the age of Mariam, that means that Sarah is 4 years older than what? Mariam. So that means Y, which is the age of Sarah, Y is Mariam's age, which is X plus 4. Mariam's age plus 4. So that means we want to write this one. It's going to be Y minus X equals to what? Equals to 4. So that's the difference between their age is 4. So in that case, we're going to rewrite everything. This is going to be equation 1. This is equation 1. And this is going to be equation what? Equation 2. So we have, let's combine these equations together. X plus Y equals to 58. Equation 1. And this one, Y minus X equals to 4. Equation 2. You notice that this is not well placed, so you can rearrange it so that X will be under X, Y will be under Y, then you can solve it. So actually you can go ahead with this if you want to use substitution method. So let's use substitution method here. So using substitution method to make Y the subject of equation in 2. So that this we are making Y the subject of equation in this equation. So that we're going to have Y equals to what? 4 plus X. I hope I'm making sense. So this is equation 3 now. So we now put 3 into what? Equation 1. We made equation 3 from equation what? 2. So equation what? Into equation 1. So that and equation 1 is X plus Y equals to 58. So wherever we see Y, we put 4 plus X. That is X plus 4 plus X equals to what? 58. X plus X is 2X equals to 58 minus what? 4. So that is 2X equals to what? 54. Divide both sides by 2. So 2 cancel 2. Then X equals to 2 in 5. That is 2. Carry 1. And then 14. That is what? 7. So which means the value of X is what? 27. So it remains the value of Y. We put X equals to 27 in equation 3. Made Y the solve the formula already. So in equation 3, so that means we have Y equals to 4 plus X. That is Y equals to 4 plus X, which is what? 27. So that is what? 31. Y equals to 31. Now let's now confirm if our answer is correct. So the sum of their ages is 58. So let's add their ages together. That is 31 plus 27. So this is 8, this is 5. That's 58. You are very correct. So that's 58 then. So find the ages of both women. So we can then say that Mariam, is, what will be the age? Don't forget, Mariam is X. So Mariam is 27 years old. 27 years old. Y, Sarah is what? 31 years old. I hope that's very clear. So that is how to solve this one. So let's look at 2 more examples before we end the video. Example 3. So we have 3 boxes and 2 packages weigh 1,240 grams. While 5 boxes and 7 packages weigh 2,800 grams. So what is the weight of a box and a package? We're looking for the weight of one box and one package. So what we have here, we have three boxes. So what we're going to do is this. For simplicity, so let a box, let a box be B and a package be what? Be P. So we are making use of B and P. So three boxes means 3B and plus two packages, that is two what? 2P equals to what? 1,240. One 5 boxes, that is 5B plus 7 packages, 7P equals to 2,800 grams. All that is very clear. You can see we have simultaneous equations here. So we're going to solve for the value of B and also solve for the value of what? P. That will give us the weight of a box and the weight of a package. Exactly. So we have this 3B plus 2P equals to 1,240. This is equation 1. And then we have 5B plus 7P equals to 2,800. This is equation what? 2. Replace the two types of methods of solving simultaneous equation. So which one is the best to solve this one? We can use the elimination method. We can as well use what? Substitution method. Whichever one you use, you still going to get the same answer. So let me use elimination method. So let's assume I want to eliminate B. I want to eliminate B. So that means I must make sure that the coefficients of B in both equations are the same. How am I going to do that in this? So what I'm going to do is that I'll look for a number that I will multiply by 3 and the number that I will multiply by 5 and I'll get the same answer. So in this case, let's multiply this one by 5, by this 5, and let's multiply this one by what? By 3. So that means 5 times everything here, 5 times 3 is going to give us 15B plus 5 times 2 is going to give us 10P equals to 5 times this. So 5 times this, 1240 times 5, 0, 20, 10, 12, carry 1, that is 6,000, 6,200. Is that clear? So we have 3 times this, that gives 15B as well, plus 3 times 7, 21P, then 3 times 2,800. So this is 0, 0, 20, 24, 24 carry 2. This is, that's 8,400, 8,400. So we can now eliminate this. So minus, minus, minus. So let's subtract this from this. This from this gives us 0. So that's 21 minus 10p, that is 11p. Then this, which is 8,400 minus 6,200, we have 0, 0, 2, so we have 2,200. So we divide both sides by what? 11 by 11. 11 cancel 11, right? Then 11 here 1, 11 here 2. So that means P equals what? 200 grams. That's what it means. So P is what? 200. So we know the value of P. It remains the value of what? B. So we can then substitute. So substitute P equals to 200 in equation, let's say equation 2. So what do we have in equation 2? We have 5B plus 7P equals to 2,800. So wherever we see P, we're going to put 200 there. So that means we're going to have 5B plus 7 times 200 equals to 2,800. Am I making sense? So that means we have 5B plus, so 7 times 200, that is 1,400 equals to what? 2,800. So we collect like terms, that is 5B equals to 2,800 minus 1,400. So 2,800, 1,400, we have 1,400, right? So 0, 0, this is 4, this is 1. That is 5B equals to 1,400. We divide both sides by 5, by 5. Am I making sense? So when you divide both sides by 5, we're going to have 5 cancel 5, that is B. 5 here 1, 5 here 2, remainder 4, 5 and 48, that is 0, that is 280. So we need the value of B. So let's check first. Let's check if this is correct or wrong. So we have 3 boxes, so that is 3 multiplied by 280 plus 2 packages, that's 2 multiplied by 200. So let's see if you're going to get 1,240. So 3, that is 0, 24, carry 2, that is 8, right? Plus 400. Yes, 400. So if you add this together, you're going to get 1,240, which is the same thing with this. So you can therefore conclude that a box, therefore, a box weigh 280 grams. 280 grams, and a package weighs what is that? 200 what? 200 grams. How this is very clear. So this is the solution to question number 3. So let's look at one more example. This is the last example. So we have this. So the shape is an equilateral triangle with the dimension shown. So we have the dimension. This is 2y. This is 5x minus 2. This is y plus x plus 5. So the question asks us to find a, x, and y. B, the perimeter of the triangle in meters, and find the area. So that's what we want to check. So we can't find this B and C without knowing the value of x and the value of y. Now, because this is an equilateral triangle, so it means this side equals to this side equals to this side equals to this side, whichever one you take. So we're going to have. So let's have this. Let's do this way. So you know we are looking for the value of x. So if this is equal to this, you still have 2 variables unknown. If this is equal to this, we only have 1 variable unknown. So we can do whatever you like to get the value of x and y. So let's have it this way. So to solve this now, solution. So we can say that 2y is equal to 5x minus 2. It's equal to 5x minus 2. So this is equation 1, right? And we can as well say that 5x minus 2 is equal to what? Y plus x plus 5. So we can rewrite this. Let's write the first one first. So let's write this one. Sorry, let's start again. So let's have it 5x minus 2 equals to what? 2y. So let's write this to be 5x minus 2y equals to 2, equation 1. Then another one, we have connected this and this together. So let's bring this and this. So which means 5x minus 2 equals to what? Y plus x plus 5. You can as well connect this and this together. It's still the same thing. So whichever one, you're still going to get the same answer. So what we're going to do here, let's solve this one to be in the same format with this one. That's going to be 5x. This x will come and become what? Minus x. This one will come and become minus what? Minus y equals to 5. This 2 will come and plus what? 2. So that means we have 4x minus y equals to what? Equals to 7. This will become what? Equation 2. So we can then combine the two equations together and solve them simultaneously. So let's look at this. So we're going to have 5x minus 2y equals to what? 2. And the other one, 4x minus y equals to 7. So this is equation 1, and this is equation what? Equation 2. So what we're going to do now is we use the best method that is suitable for this. So which is what? Substitution method, because we have the coefficient of x to be minus 1 in equation 2. So we're going to say make make y the subject subject of the equation of the what of the equation in 2. So that is going to have 4x minus 7 equals to what? Y. Or y equals to what? 4x minus 7. This is what I did. You take this one to the other side, become plus. This will come and become what? Minus. This is equation what? Equation 3. Is that clear now? So we can then substitute equation 3 into equation what? Equation 1. Because we made equation what? Equation 3 from equation what? Equation 2. I hope I'm making sense. So that means we're going to put equation 3 into what? Equation what? Equation 1. Is that clear? So where is equation 1 is here. That is 5x minus 2y equals to 2. So wherever we see y, we're going to put what? 4x minus what? Minus 7 there. So that means we have 5x minus 2 into what? 4x minus 7 equals to 2. So we open the bracket. So 5x minus 8x plus what? 14 equals to what? 2. I hope this is clear. So 5x minus 8x gives us minus 3x. So this is 14 equals to, take it to the other side, that's going to 2 minus what? 14. This is minus 3x. Then this is 1 minus 12. So divide both sides by minus 3 by minus 3. I hope I'm making sense. So this cancels this cancels this. Therefore, x is equal to what? 4. Right. So we know the value of x to be 4. It's the value of y. So we then substitute or put x equals to 4 in 3. So where is 3? That is 1 equals to 4x minus 7. So that means it means 4 into 4 minus 7. So that means 1. So 4 into 4 is 16 minus 7. And that means 1 equals what? Equals to 9. So we've known the value, that is for A. We've known the value of x and y. Therefore, x is equal to 7 and is equal to 4, sorry. And y is equal to what? 9. So that is that on the first one, that is A. Therefore, B for B. So find the perimeter. So how are we going to find the perimeter? So the shape, which is this, we have this. So we have 5x minus 2. We have 2y here, and we have y. We have y plus x plus 5 here. So it means we put the value in all of them. So 2 times y. This one, 2y will then be what? 2 times 9. And that is what? 18. So let's check for this one. 5x minus 2. That is 5. That is 5 into x. X, which is 4, minus 2. So that is 20 minus 2 equals to 18. You can see the same thing. I want to check for the other one. For the last one, which is the y plus x plus 5. That is y, which is 9, plus x, which is 4, plus 5. So 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. So which means the perimeter of this shape will then be what? Perimeter of the shape, perimeter will then be equals to 18 plus 18 plus 18. So we add everything together, and that is 36 here plus 18, and this is 454. That gives 54 meters. Then the last one we say find the area. So all of this area we're going to make use of, because this is equilateral triangle. So we don't know the height. You can do it in 2 ways. You're still going to get the same answer. So we can use Euro's formula, or we divide it and find the height. You can find the height to solve it. So whichever one we use, we're going to get the same answer. So when you are given a shape like this, you can use hero formula. You are given triangle like this, and you are given the three sides. So because this is equilateral triangle, you can divide this into two to get the height, because the area of triangle is just half base times height. So half base times height here. So the height is what we don't know. So, we have divided this line into this will become 9, this will become 9. So we can make use of Pythagoras theorem to find the height before we find the area of the triangle. So I'm going to use the two methods here to solve it, so that when you are given a scaling triangle, you should be able to find the area of a scaling triangle when the three sides are given. So is that clear? So let's look at that now. So in this case, so we're going to bring out this, the right angle triangle. So this is 9, this is 18, it is this that we're looking for, 8, right? So we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, which says hypotenuse square, which is 18, equals opposite square plus what? Adjacent square. That means 18 squared or 8 squared plus 9 squared equals what? 18 squared. So that means 8 squared plus 81 equals to, let's calculator. So 18 squared equals to 324. 324, that means 8 squared equals to 324 minus 81. So minus 81, and we have 8 squared equals to 243. That's square root of 243 will give us 15. That is 8 equals to square root of 243, and that gives us 15.59. Let's have it this way, 15.59. So it is area of triangle we are looking for. We know the height. And area of triangle is equal to half times base times height. So that is half times base. What is the base here? It's 18. 18 is the base. And the height is this, 15.59. So 2 here 1, 2 here 9. So that is 9 times this, so multiply by 9. So that gives us 140.3 meters squared, right? So that's the answer. But if you want to use Euros formula, so what we're going to do, the Euros formula is this. The Euros formula is very simple. So the Euros formula, so which is S, area is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So where S is A plus B plus C divided by 2. So the A here, A, B, C are the three sides. So, and they are the same here. That's going to give us 18 plus 18 plus 18 divided by 2. So 18 times 3 divided by 2 that gives us S is equal to 27. So let's now put this in the formula. So we have this S, which is 27 into 27 minus 8, 18. So the same is 27 minus 8, 27 minus what? 8. So this will give us 27 into 27 minus 18. 18 minus 18 minus 18. So that gives us 9 times 9 times what? 9. I hope I'm making sense. So this will give us square root of 27 times, so 27 times 9 times 9. So that is 27 times 9 times 9 times 9. So that gives us 19,683. So let's now find the square root of this. So square root of answer, and that gives us 140.329. That's what we got the answer. So you can see we have the same thing. So just take note of this formula. So the essence of this formula, which is Euros formula, is that. Let me tell you this. So the essence of the Hero's formula is that when you are given a scaling triangle, that is all the sides are not equal, you are asked to find the area of a triangle who is scaling triangle. So just make use of this formula to get your answer. You can see we use two methods and we arrive at the same answer. So this is where we're going to stop in this video. If you find the video useful and helpful, don't forget to what? To give us a very big thumb up and make sure what you subscribe if you are new to this channel, and make sure you share the video with your family and your friends. Meet in our next class. Bye.